Hello, today I'm going to show you about the Nerf guns which I have. And the first one is the Nerf N Strike Elite Strong Arm, which can shoot 6 bullets. Reload and shoot like that. And yeah, you can just show up. Yeah, that's the Nerf N Strike Elite Strong Arm. And the next gun which I'm going to show you is the Barricade. Just keep it there. Okay. The Barricade RV whatever blah blah. Just want to check. Reducing my tripod's length. Okay. The Nerf Barricade RV 10 can hold up to 10 bullets inside. And this is a strike and it's battery operated. Okay, so let me just show you a demonstration. And nice guns. And you have a hole there to aim. And today, no ammo. Let me just reload it in a sec. And it's like this. Yeah, short burst too. And in case your battery is running out and you do this, it just saves the battery and one of my bullets got jammed. Okay. Not jammed again. Okay, I know the problem of this gun is. Just hold on. Yeah. So that's how the Nerf Barricade RV10 is, and there will be a green thingy over here. If it's on and you do that, it's red, or you may call orange. So that's the Barricade RV10. And those are my two Nerf guns, and thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, a rating would be much appreciated. Other than that, see you all in the next video.